different type of orders. So once we've made all our analysis, we need to convert that analysis into profit. Okay, so you need to open trade. So there's basically different ways of opening a trade. It's either an entry order or a market execution. So the market execution is when you're waiting, let's say, for breakout or bounce, and it happens, and you enter the trade. Okay, so this is a time filter. So you want basically the candle to prove the movement. Okay, so let's look at let's go on 8 hour, and let's look at this movement. So we see here we had a nice resistance here. Okay, with this tool replay, you can go back in time. So let's look. Let's say you were here, and so your plan is to short when it goes back to resistance, because let's say you've got multiple conferences. So what you could do is either wait until the price gets there, or make an entry order. So the entry order will basically fill your trade automatically. Okay, so in that case, you will, depending if you're on MetaTrader 4, FXCM MarketScope, or TradingView with Aranda, you can see you've got sell. So you've got market. So if you put market, you will actually sell it here. So that's not what we're going to do. We want the sell limit, because basically these are the orders. So a sell limit, you see, it goes up, reaches limit, order placed above price, and price then goes down. Just remember this. I've already talked about these orders in previous videos, but yeah, they're important to know. However, like if sometimes you don't remember, when you'll put them, like let's say we're shorting at 0.75650, okay? Let's say we put it like that. You can see order price is not appropriate for this order type. Of course, because we're on the sell stop. If we go on sell limit, now it will work. So it's no big deal really, just make sure you've got it right. So this means that it will automatically fill your order at that price. However, if the price from here shoots up like that, like because of news or something, you will get filled and stopped out immediately. Okay, so this is called a price filter. So you're basically applying a price filter to your trading execution. What I prefer to use, which is more time demanding because you need to look, is time filters. So time filters is you'll actually wait. So let's see, price is going up. Okay, now what do you see? Okay, you've got an indecision candle followed by Maribozu, okay, which engulfs the candle. Let's say you enter short. So there you will put sell, okay, sell as a market order. So direct with your stop loss and the price and everything, okay. We'll see all about stop loss and target placements in the next video. So with this, you can see short and long position. You can basically put short here. It just makes it visual so you can see what how you're basically doing it. With your stop loss, giving a bit of buffer, and let's say you're targeting these levels, right there. So that's a market execution, right? And then the trade goes, and you see what happens. Yeah, so that's market execution, and it's basically a time filter. Same with the breakout. See, when you've got, say, a trade going like this, then you've got a nice head and shoulders, okay, like that. So what you basically waiting for is a break to confirm that the move is going down, okay, and then taking the MPO. However, when you, but by the way, head and shoulders, remember, okay, it's basically the shape, but if the head and shoulder looks something like this, that's still the head and shoulder, only the neckline is like that. But this is still the head and shoulder, okay. So yeah, so you could either wait for the, if like you're here, okay, you could either like put some fibs to try and short it, but you want to basically wait for a break. So you could either put an entry order here, so that's a sell stop, right? Remember, sell stop, order placed below price, and price keeps going down. So it will do this, bam, with your stop loss, let's say here, and target here, okay? However, what happens is that sometimes the market will spike. So it will spike down, then go back up. While here, even like a wick, imagine you've got the candle here, you've got your sell order placement here, and then there's a massive wick going back down like this. You will get filled, even though it didn't really break because the candle was here. It was only a wick that got you. So I got fucked many times that way. So don't. I recommend you to not use price filters, but to mainly use time filters instead of price filters. So wait for a proper break of the full candle. Okay, because what we looking for in breakouts, so in either trendline breakouts or support breakouts, whatever, is a proper candle to break out. Okay, it's not. We don't want the wick to break out. So so these are the different type of orders you can put, and so yeah, just remember that it's always better to use time filters instead of price filters, but you can obviously use price filters in some occasions. And so yeah, these are the basics of different type of orders.